Welcome back to a new video friends. Today I'm going to tell about how to off shooter sound. This sound guys, how can you off? You don't like, so guys you can off this sound from your camera setting. Redmi 10 phone guys, how to off this setting today I'm going to tell you about. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel, so please go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So now let's start video friends. First of all, open your camera and guys click on this three line option and setting option guys, we have to click, so we will click. And guys you can see shooter sound, so guys you want to off, so guys off it. And let's see friends, so when you will take photo the sound will not come, you can see. So I think guys you have understood how to off shooter sound in Redmi 10 phone camera setting. So that's it guys, thank you for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video within topic. Before guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel.